welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you how to recover classical bin icon window 10. So guys, if you want to restore classical bin icon on the desktop, so firstly right click, after click on this option, that is, after click on themes, after click on desktop icon setting, after click on classical, click on OK, check this box, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you want to classical bin icon on the desktop, first right click, after click on this option, click on themes, after click on desktop icon setting, click on classical bin, after checkbox, click on OK. That is. So this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.